Let's create an email marketing campaign. Now, in a prior video, we went over how to automate the emails that are sent out. And in that lesson, we actually had gone over just creating a simple marketing campaign. The process is the same. However, here and in the accompanying video, we're going to go over actually creating a design using the templates that are available on MailChimp. So let's go ahead and create a campaign from scratch. So from the dashboard, we're going to click on Create a Campaign. When we click on Create a Campaign, it gives us a number of options as far as objectives that we may want to create a campaign for. Now, what we're going to do is simply create a regular campaign, this is what I use most of the time. So we have a number of options available up here. We have regular, automated, plain text, and A/B testing. A/B testing is when you test different kinds of emails and just to see the response rate and various metrics change depending on the changes that you make to your email. I don't use that so much. You may have to use it, or you may start to use it if you are operating a larger list cycle or you're doing e-commerce, but I generally use the regular. So let's go ahead and proceed with that. And here we simply have to create a campaign name. So we'll call this Text Pro Campaign. And I'll click Begin, and it will bring us to the next screen where we can go ahead and then finish the rest of the campaign process. Now, in the To field, remember that we had already lists that we had created. The lists were the collection of emails that we had attached to a list. So with this particular campaign, a campaign is basically a run. It's an email run. So it's like you've collected emails and now you want to send out emails to people. That is called a campaign. Imagine like a political campaign. So we are running emails. We are running a campaign. And we're going to select the people who we want to receive our campaign, our email campaign. So we'll click on Add Recipients, and we can choose from our audience. Now, we currently have 12 subscribers in this particular list, so that's who we're going to be sending this email to. And we can choose a number of other attributes as far as options to personalize the email. So if you've collected the name, the last name, the birthday, here in the personalized field, you can then use those fields that you've selected, like the first name, last name, to personalize the email. So basically, let's say that you have 800 subscribers in your email and you had also included the first name and last name when you were asking for their emails. Well, when you send out this email and you use the personalization option, each email will actually have the name of the recipient, which is pretty cool. So we'll just click Save here. Actually, let's go ahead and do the first name, and then we'll click Save here. And then From is going to be just where the email is coming from, and that's going to be from info@textprofoundationrepair.com. And then here we want to add a subject. The subject line is one of the most important things in email marketing because that's really what kind of decides if people are going to open it. You know, you want an email subject that's kind of engaging, enticing, and intriguing, because those three things make it so that people are actually interested enough to open the email. So think about what you want to put here. And this one, I just want to put Foundation, Home Foundation Prevention Steps from Text Pro. And then for the preview text, I want to put that here. And just to make this more clear, I'm going to put repair, and I'll click Save here. Now in the content area, this is where we're actually going to design our email. and we'll do that in the next lesson.